Okay, here we are, 8-3 notes. So I'm going to go through the top part and then I'll start working through some problems towards the end. But we did a lot of this in class, so we have the angle-angle postulate. So if there's two angles, meaning all three angles are congruent, that means the triangles are similar. So we're trying to prove similarity right here. Okay, so let's check this out. So we're trying to prove similarity. Okay, so there's side angle side theorem. Okay, so when we can prove side, an angle, and a side, then we can prove that. Okay, and if we look down here, we have side theorem. So if we can prove that all the sides are proportional, the same similarity ratio, so the same similarity ratio, this is what I'm looking to prove. Okay, and as you can see, I label my sides. So here's my small side, my small side. Here's my medium side, my medium. Here's my large and my large. Okay, then I do my work over here, and I see that they're all congruent right here, or they're all equal, same similarity ratio, so I can prove side. All right, let's do a couple problems now. And let's go with some blue. All right, so are the triangles similar? If yes, tell which postulate they're similar by and write a similarity statement. So I want to prove these. So I know that these parallel lines right here, this line and this line are parallel. So I know there's two different triangles here. There's a big triangle, and then there's that little blue triangle, okay? The bigger triangle looks like this. All right? So if we're looking at angles, whoops. Okay, if we're looking at angles, I know that this angle is congruent to that angle, definitely. Okay, and then if I look in this bigger picture, these are parallel lines, so this is corresponding angles. This angle and this angle are congruent also. The other one is also, but I just need two angles. So I would say that this is yes. These triangles are similar by angle similarity. And I would write my similarity statement saying triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, so if we look at, let's change the color here. We look at this guy over here, example 2. Well, I have to prove some sides, so I'm going to say here's my small side, my medium, and my large. Here's my small, medium, large. So I'm going to start proving see if the sides are similar ratios. So my small triangle, my small side over my small large triangle is going to be 2/3. My medium is going to be right here, my medium over my medium. So it's going to be 3/4.5. Okay. And my large is going to be 4/6. Now I have to simplify. 2/3 is simplified already. Whoops. That's 2/3. When I simplify 3/4.5, I get 2/3 on the calculator. 4/6 is 2/3. These are all equal. So I'm going to say yes. What's going on here? So I would say yes by side, angle, side. And I have to write my similarity statement. So I'm going to write it right down here. I'm going to say triangle JAS is similar to triangle FRD. Okay, that was all for example 2 right here. Whoops, example 2. Okay, example 4 I'm not going to do on the video. I'll take a look at example 3. So if I look at this, I know that this angle right here, these are vertical angles, those are congruent. So I'm going to say yes by angle similarity. Okay. This is triangle J. All right. Whoops. By angle similarity. Let's erase this one. Yes. By angle similarity. And if we wrote our congruent statement or our similarity statement, angle ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle OVN. Okay? I'm not going to do number 4. Okay? Let's take a look at maybe number 5. I'm going to write some answers. This one is no. You guys can figure out why. And number 6 is going to be a no. Okay? I'm trying to get some of these other ones done now. For 7 through 12, it says explain why the triangles are similar and solve for the missing variables. So why are these similar? Well, there's an angle and an angle. So yes by angle similarity. And I'm going to solve. So I'm going to say this side right here, let's do a different color ink maybe. So this side right here, the yellow side, is the same as that one. So I'll say 3 over x equals, and bottom side, bottom, 4 over 11. Notice this small triangle right here, the 3 and the 4, they're on the top. The x and the 11, they're on the bottom. Now I'm going to cross multiply, and I get 4x equals 33, and I get x equals 8.25. All right. So for number 8, here's what I like to do on these. I'm going to look at this triangle right here. So this little green triangle, and I'm going to rewrite the other triangle. So this green triangle has a 4 and a 2 as a side. This big side is 4 plus 2, so this is 16. This whole side down here, this side here, is x plus 2, or 2 plus x. Okay? So then I'm going to say 4 over 16 equals 2 over x plus 2. And when I solve this, I put this in parentheses and I say 4 times